Hey, it's Peter from ShadowTrader.net, and I just wanted to tell you about some cool stuff going on in the month of November. It's open house month at ShadowTrader, which means that both of our chat rooms are going to be free for an entire week. SquawkBox is going to be first. That's going to be November 13th to November 17th. And then my room, the Weekly Options Advisory, will be free from November 27th to December 1st. Super easy to join us. Just hit the link in the description below, which is shadowtrader.net/free. There's no credit card required. Just put your email address there and you'll be good to go. Until then, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.
It's not uncommon for traders and investors to feel like it's a good idea to position to the long side on natural gas as we head into the winter season. I've thought that way myself as I looked at this chart of the UNG over the last while. I've been wondering if this was a rounded bottom that was going to possibly come back up and pop back up through that major resistance line that we are still currently below. And see if we can break that and move on up to the upside. But what I'm noticing now is after three attempts really to move up to that line, this attempt right here, to me, changes the picture quite a bit. And the reason I say that is because, the market generates information all the time, right? And in an effort to stay objective, I want to be open to what I might have been missing with this chart. After such a strong move down, I was missing kind of the point that maybe this was simply an extended bear consolidation flagging formation. And because of this last rejection, if I go up to a daily chart, I'm beginning to think that that might be what is going on here. The price has moved all the way down already back through the bottom of through the body of this consolidation, and is trying to come into the lows again here. The failures here makes me believe that I need to open my mind up to the idea that natural gas may be heading lower. So for me or anyone as a UNG trader, that is an important coin to flip over, I would say. Some would say you really need to look at the nat gas futures continuous contract chart. Here is the weekly on this. The seasonal argument really doesn't add up all the time. It's not something that's very dependable. If you look at every one of these fall seasons that I've highlighted in red there, and I'll let you go back on your own, and you can see that sometime there is a climb, but often there is not. And here we are after this long drop here, even on the futures side, we can tell that this is below a significant pivot low that we failed to take out right here now. This looks different than the UNG, but if this were to drop, that would cause price to fall out of the UNG, I would think, fairly solidly. I am not going to be surprised if this weakness that we see here is going to continue on through this chart. The seasonal argument doesn't seem to be holding at this point. The inflation conversation, why isn't it higher simply because of inflation? Well, I would say that just one glance at this chart would tell you, here we are down at this lower auction range, and isn't inflation higher today than it was a few years ago? So that really kind of washes that argument. So this rejection right here makes me say that I need to be cautious, and that there may be an opportunity here to pick up some natural gas at lower prices in the days to come, or the weeks to come, or maybe even the months to come, because this is looking fairly weak to me at this point.
Hi, my name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. If you enjoyed this video today, please feel free to hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. And if you'd like to trade along with me every day, looking for trade ideas, studying charts together, check out the link below to the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.